Hello everyone, welcome to Future Tech Bytes. Today we are diving into EdgeGrid, a powerful tool for building a dynamic data tables in Angular. Let's get into it. So, what is EdgeGrid? In simple terms, EdgeGrid is a super powerful tool that helps display and manage data in table on a website or app, especially when using Angular, a popular web deployment framework. Picture it like a really smart, customizable spreadsheet that lives right into your web browser. No need for any heavy software. It's perfect for organizing large amount of data, making it easy to sort, filter, or even edit on fly. Let's explore why to use EdgeGrid. So, why choose EdgeGrid? Let's break it down. First, it offers a rich features set for complex data needs, think sorting, filtering, and even charting all in one place. Second, it delivers a high performance and scalable, handling thousands of rows without even slowing down. Third, it provides seamless Angular integration and customizations, letting you tailor it to your app's look and feel. Finally, there are extensive documentations and community support to guide you every step of the way. That's why EdgeGrid stand out. Let's see it in quick action next. Let me open a EdgeGrid website, and you can see here the official documentations and a live YouTube video how to use EdgeGrid, how to install. We'll go through this in our next video, but for now let me show you a quick demo how EdgeGrid look like. So here you can see a table like our spreadsheet, which has a hundreds of row, and if you see it here, it's sorted, and we can click on this filter. We can, there are various, this is a text filter. If you see begin with, end with, blank, and all others, even the dates, and we can see the number filters here like greater than or equals to. And the good things about this EdgeGrid is we can customize them. In my work we extensively use this EdgeGrid to load hundreds of records. That is all for this video. Please stay tuned. In next video, uh, we'll do a live demo actions. I'll walk you through how to set up EdgeGrid, enable filtering, sorting, and many more. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit subscribe button to stay tuned. Your support means a lot. Thank you again.